Hello and welcome. My name is Abu, and in this lecture I'll teach you how to mark up chemical formulas properly, especially these smaller numbers on the lower baseline. Normally this can be done using HTML subscript element. For example, this is the HTML document I created for this lecture called example.html. On line 19 I have letters and numbers for the chemical formula of caffeine. And on line 22, I have letters and numbers for the chemical formula of titine. Before we mark this up, let's try this up in the browser and see how they look. Okay, as you can see, both letters and numbers are displaying like a normal text. Now let's flip back into the editor, mark them up, and display them like a chemical formula. In order to display them like a chemical formula, we just need to mark up the number after the letter using subscript element. First, I'll mark up this number 8 after C. The element name of subscript element is sub, so the opening sub tag looks like this, starting with the left angle bracket, sub, and right angle bracket. And the closing sub tag looks like this, starting with left angle bracket, / sub, and right angle bracket. Now let's mark up all the other numbers. Opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Okay, now for the next one, opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Opening sub tag here and closing sub tag here. Now I'll save this and let's see how they look in the browser. I'll just reload this page. Okay, it worked. Now all the numbers are displaying as a subscript on the lower baseline with a smaller text. So that is how we mark up chemical formulas properly using HTML subscript elements. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comments below.